Today I'm going to show you 5 personal branding examples and offer you tons of inspiration to help you increase your own visibility as the agency founder. Are your competitors being invited to all the cool podcasts and you are not? Do they get to work with all the fun clients? If you want to become the go-to person for your dream clients, you need to build your own personal brand. I will show you 5 examples of people in the global digital agency space and pinpoint exactly what you can learn from them. It's time for you to come out of hiding if you are the agency founder, because when you do this, your agency will stand out from its competitors and you will attract more of the high-paying dream clients you want to work with. A little later in the video, I will reveal one secret sauce ingredient for personal branding for agency founders just like you, and it's going to help you unleash your own creative juices during your next coffee break. You are in for a treat. Hi, this is Nicole from Wunderstars. I'm a marketing coach for digital agency founders. Subscribe now and press the bell to never miss a new episode of my marketing and social media hacks for time-short agency founders. Now let's jump in. The first personal branding example is Mr. Corey Dodd. Corey designs brand identities and user interfaces with a focus on strategy and customer experience. He's the founder of the amazing creative design studio L Creative. Corey is super well loved amongst agency communities. So what can you learn from his approach? Well, it's really amazing to see how Corey links his personal brand website with his agency website. He has a similar theme running throughout. His colors are blue and yellow. And on his personal site, he simply uses them in reverse. Both sites really complement each other. After all, Corey is the agency founder. I imagine that his personal brand values include that he's super approachable and that he doesn't take himself too seriously. So he shows personality in spades on both of his sites. As you can see on the homepage, he uses plenty of emojis and his text is just so much fun. His About section actually says, "I'm your new best friend." Or on another bit he says, "Sometimes I talk about stuff in front of people." I love it. His blog section introduces the things that he thinks. It's brilliant. Building your personal brand is about deciding how you want to show up for your audience and sharing your expertise in a relatable way. Corey has this nailed. His agency simply must be fun to work with. The second personal branding example is London web girl Cheryl Laidlaw. She leans into her niche of building websites for her clients in just a day, and she is smashing it on Instagram. You have got to check out her account. So what can you learn from Cheryl? Pick a niche and you will get noticed. Don't hide behind fancy looking tech graphics. You are the star of the show and so is your team. People want to get to know you. Let's face it, website projects can be stressful. Show your clients what it will be like to work with you and your team, so show up and be visible. And when you pick a niche, for her it's the way she's building sites in a day, you stand out much faster. It's time for the third personal branding example. Lee Matthew Jackson and his agency Trailblazer podcast and community is super well known. We've never seen Lee without a baseball cap, and he's a family man and oozes agency tips. One of the nicest guys I know. Lee actually helps thousands of online business owners across the world fall back in love with their businesses. His agency Trailblazer podcast has over 12,000 downloads a month. Go and check it out, especially episode 185, where we talk about personal branding. Yes, I'm totally part of Lee's fan club, and there's so much you can learn from Lee's approach. Now, earlier on, I promised you a secret sauce ingredient for helping my agency clients unlock their personal brand and what it stands for. You will be amazed how this simple hack will get your creative juices going. Now, here's the secret sauce I promised. I get it, no one wakes up in the middle of the night wanting to market their business, nor do you want to build a personal brand. So how do I overcome this roadblock? I get my Wunderstars coaching clients to imagine exactly how they don't want to come across to their audience. We talk about their anti-version. So let's look at Lee's anti-version. This is what I imagine Auntie-Lee would look like. He would be super formal. Boy, he never shares about the realities of running your own agency or about being a working parent. He would be super busy with his fancy cars and exotic holidays, and obviously he would be never out of his suit or off his phone. He's just too important for that. Tell me in the comments, what would your anti-version look like? I really want to know. So what can you learn from Lee's approach as an agency owner? Simply be yourself. People work with agencies because they want that personal touch. Your audience wants to get the real you. So if you want my process for this that ensures you can highlight the best bits and showcase the real you, watch this vlog shown on the screen once you finish with this one. Don't hide behind a corporate mask and end up sounding just like everyone else. If you love wearing baseball caps, there is no need to change that. You can still attract your dream clients. And here's another key learning from Lee's personal branding approach. His personal branding travels really well across different platforms, whether it's his events, podcasts, to his Facebook community. Even when he's on stage, you get the real Lee. So choose a platform you truly love. For him, that's podcasting. Build your influence and your audience. You can do this. A fourth personal branding example is Victoria Fleming. Victoria is the face of her software sales consultancy, Basstastic. She works with the tech sector. When you go to her website, you are hit with energy through the choice of images, design and tone of voice. Victoria oozes approachability and energy. And this is exactly how she shows up in her videos and in her talks. This is what her clients get when working with her. If you want a more traditional sales trainer, she's not your woman, but she specializes in helping SaaS companies, so this is perfect for her crowd. What can you learn from Victoria's approach? Even if you have a team around you, don't be afraid to make yourself the star of the show. People want to get to know the person behind the brand. Especially in markets where many people and website agencies offer a similar service. This is such brilliant marketing opportunity. Another thing I love about Victoria's branding, she completely is herself. She leans into her qualities. This makes it so easy for her to keep it up across all her content. When you consider how to shape your own personal brand, to build your influence and to build your audience, build it around the real you. So before you think personal branding can only be done if you are completely an extrovert and you've got many pictures of yourself, I want to show you a fifth amazing personal branding example. This is someone with real grit. It's Kim Doyle. Now, what can you learn from Kim's approach? It's absolutely fine to transition your personal branding as your business focus changes. Kim started off as a WordPress chick and she launched her own personal brand, Kim Doyle, back in 2018. And I think she's continuously evolving it. Kim is on a mission to help busy entrepreneurs focus on the right things to get financial freedom. And she herself plans to move to Costa Rica, and her content planner and courses are super popular. Her understated, down-to-earth personal branding style really works. What you see with Kim is what you get. No flashy photos or designs inside. So it's okay to evolve. Find what you love and simply be brilliant at it. Plus, everything is a content opportunity. Before you go, if you are an agency owner, have you checked out Carl von Deusen's admin bar community on Facebook? When asked which personal brands they really like, I had so many super helpful suggestions. Thank you for that. You can see many of them now on the screen. And I would like to share a special thanks to Chantal Edward Betsy. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce the name right. You had so many amazing female role models, and your own personal brand is pretty cool too, so thank you. I hope you like this video. Make my day by commenting on it and sharing it with your network. Be sure to check out this vlog shown on the screen with the exact 5-step process for creating your own powerful personal brand. You can also watch more videos in the fantastic popular branding playlist. Plus, boost the content marketing for your agency by ensuring you get a steady stream of leads, high quality leads, by watching this vlog shown on the screen. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!